Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube video because I've never posted a video on this channel before. It's my first YouTube video. So I'm only making a YouTube channel, a new one, because I got a squishy package. So this was the perfect opportunity for me to make a YouTube video. So my sister's friend, I have a sister, her name's Ava, she's gonna be in some of my videos. Her friend Emily and Emily's sister Alyssa, they have a squishy shop. I don't know what to say. So I have a huge package from them. And on this side I noticed that it says hope you enjoy. And then my address is up here. So I'm gonna be opening it. And it's huge. So I'm gonna try to get the tape off. And the box is kind of beat up. I mean, it has been shipping. They do live about an hour away, but they stay with friends. So when we first open the box, there is tissue paper and a note on top. So they packaged it very nicely. And the note says, "Thank you, Paige," which is my name, "for ordering from me. All of these squishies are used, but they are in great condition." Okay. The gift card expires in 2019. Okay, so there's a gift card. I wonder what it's for. There are extras. I hope you enjoy our package and hope you will buy from us again. Which they put "buy" like by the way, not buy B-U-I. Sorry, I'm just really strict about that. And that says "to Paige from Alyssa and Emily." So that's very nice. And then there's just lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of tissue paper. So I'm gonna take all of that out. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of tissue paper. Okay, and so I do see a box which says extras, but I'm trying not to look in the box that has the squishies in it. But there is a box that says extras. So we're gonna open this. Okay, so there's this extra baseball. It's like a crush ball. And then there's this, oh my god, this is really cute, but it does have color on it. And it's a dog. It's really cute. It's pretty surprising. And then this Tootsie Roll Pop chocolate hand sanitizer, and it's in this Tootsie Roll thing. I'm gonna smell it. That smells exactly like Tootsie Rolls. Wow. And then there's this other squishy. This is dirty and it's ripped at the top, but that's okay. It's an extra. And then this Squish Delish. Oh, there's one more thing. Oh my god. It is for $15. Wow. Okay, and then there's a Squish Delish Mermaid Squishy. So yeah, thank you guys for the extras. That was very nice of you. Not all squishy sellers give you extras, so that was really nice. I'm gonna go put this tissue paper somewhere. Okay, so all of these squishies are used, but that is totally okay. And she did mention that they were in great condition, so that's also really good. So I'm just gonna pull out a squishy. I hear packaging. Okay, so it's this. The packaging is already open. It's this cute packaging, polka dots, and it says Jumbo Slow Squish. It is Form Plus. And yeah. So it's this kitten in a cup, and it has paw prints all around it, which is really cute. It is great. Oh, yeah, that's kind of falling off, but it is in great condition. The head's not even ripped, except the paws. So we're gonna see how squishy it is. That is so airy. It's really airy. It's like really, really airy and super duper solarizing. Like, let's just it's still rising. Okay, so that squishy I will rate a 8.5 out of 10, only because of the defects. But it is a used squishy. But the defects. Okay, I have to look kind of. Okay, so I'm gonna get one out of packaging. Okay, there's this like, really pokey thing. Oh my gosh, look at this rainbow cake. I love the sprinkles. Guys, look at this rainbow cake. So I had one of these, just the brown and white sprinkles, but my dog chewed it up and I wanted the rainbow sprinkles, but it did not come with the rainbow sprinkles. And now I have the squishy that I wanted, and it's so soft and squishy. Their squishies are so good. The top is still rising. See that dent? It's still rising. So thank you for that squishy. So I'm just gonna give you guys like a peek at it. There's lots of squishies in there. I'm gonna get one that's out of packaging. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. So there's like air bubbles in the back, like everywhere. See those air bubbles? And then it has this cute face, which is kind of dirty, but that's okay. And it is super soft. It's not that slow rising, but it's pretty slow rising. And it has a horn. So yeah, that's really, really, really cute. This one is obviously store-bought. It is the ice cream from Soft and Slow, and it's not all original packaging. It's just packaging she could find. I know that she did tell me that when I ordered it from her, but that's totally okay. 7 minutes already? Wow. And then we have this, I'm not really sure what to call this, but it's really, that is really soft and really sticky. Like, listen. So it's really sticky. Okay. This is the last squishy. No, there's 3 more, 4 more, 5 more, 6 more squishies out of packaging. So it's this ring squishy, which is really cute. You can go like this, like. And then, oh, this squishy is really cute. It's a shoe, which I think is really adorable. Let's see if it's airy. Guys, that's so airy. And it is so squishy and slow rising. Okay. And then I'm going to get all the squishies that are not in the packaging out. Alright, so this one is a poop. And that's really airy. But it's not slow rising. Like, listen to how airy it is. Wait, the lighting is really bad. Does that help at all? I may turn the lighting on my camera. I don't think that really worked. Okay. And then we have this unicorn squishy, which is really cute. It's not that slow rising, but it's really squishy. And then this llama squishy, okay. Yeah. It's really cute though. But it's just like really defective. This bunny rabbit squishy, which is really cute. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squishies left. None of them are in original packaging, I can see that. But this is so cute. It's a cream candy yummy bear cotton candy time. And it's in jumbo rabbit cake squishy packaging. So it's a Creamy Candy Yummy Bear, and it's the cotton candy version. It's really cute. It's very airy and very, very surprising. I love that squishy. Okay. We have this Bunny Rabbit squishy. I feel like we're getting like a lot of animals, like 6, 7. I'm not sure how many squishies I ordered, but I ordered a lot. I know that. So yeah, and then we have this one, which is defected. Well, not like defected, but it's pink. It's cute. It's a little sloth, pretty surprising. And then this whoopee cushion, which is very airy. I can already tell. It's my favorite color. It's blue. 2 more things. Okay, we're gonna open the one that looks more cool. Oh, it just came out of its packaging. So it's this dinosaur. Okay. And then this seashell, which looks very airy. Okay, it's not that airy, but it's super duper surprising. So yeah, make sure you guys smash that like button. Stay tuned on my channel for more squishy packages and squishy videos and other videos. So I put them, here's all of my squishies that I got today. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 squishies today. And that was only for about $20. They're really cheap. This one was the most expensive. Well, it wasn't $20, but like this one was $20 alone. But yeah, bye guys.